Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to force restart your device. So how to perform the soft reset operation. So if you've got the situation that your device freezed and do not respond to your touches, then you can restart it, force restart it. So all you have to do in order to do that is take your phone and press the power button and the volume up button together and wait. So let me do it. Let me press volume up button and the power button. As you can see here, we've got the information, but just ignore it. I'm still pressing those buttons, and as you can see, the screen turned black, and it means that we just successfully restarted our device. We should see the logo, and as you can see, your device will turn on again actually. So actually that's all. This is how to force restart your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.